All everyday goods and services are now subject to GST. However, essential items such as rice, salt, cooking oil, sanitary napkins, wheelchairs, and key services like education, health, and select financial services remain exempt. In addition, GST can only be levied by businesses with annual turnover of 5 million 𝗀𝘃 registered with the Department of Revenue and Customs. Registered businesses should display their GST registration certificate at their premises. Unregistered businesses are not permitted to charge the 5% GST to consumers on the sale transaction. While some people have a basic understanding of GST, many remain uncertain about the system.
The GST could be a problem for us because in the end we are the consumers who have to pay the tax. I feel that this 5% tax could affect poor people.
The rollout is taking place at 8 regional revenue and customs offices across the country, including Thimphu and 𝗃𝗀𝗃. The GST rollout is supported by the Bhutan Integrated Taxation System or 𝗵𝘆, an online portal that enables businesses to register, file returns, and make payments digitally. In 𝗃𝗀𝗃, the country's primary trade gateway, a brick consignment was the first import cleared under GST at the mini dry port. Officials completed all customs formalities including entry procedures, submission of the import declaration, document verification, tax calculation, physical inspection, and tax payment. Once these were completed, the consignment was successfully released. Business owners said that although the system may be challenging initially, they hope it will improve transparency, accountability, and efficiency.
펜토스미지 휴고메디 그지모세 원진 때다 티루디 가딜레베 가데베 원법조에가
It will definitely be helpful for the country as well as the people. There will be transparency. Another thing is that everything is going to be online. Every cash-related task have to be routed through proper channel. Every income and the tax amount will be clear, thereby benefiting the country at large.
티루파 슝루테 가데베 담노가 때 아니 캣님이
While officials hope the new GST will bring transparency and efficiency, many consumers remain uncertain about the system. Questions about which items are taxed, how much they will pay, and how it affects daily expenses are still on people's minds. This is 𝗀𝗃𝗶𝗹𝗶 for BBS News.